Going to a film school is one of my biggest dreams, but nature is the temple of learning the art of photography, videography, and filmmaking. It's a journey where I will utilize my knowledge and do some experiments to find amazing frames in this beautiful landscape.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you.
First topic I'm going to cover is all about camera angles, shot sizes, and camera framing, which is very important to tell a story because each shot represents a different meaning. So let's dive in.
And all the things you do. And it was called yellow. So then I took my...
Okay, here's the pro tip. If you're the main character in your videos, then you have to be a little bit creative in your frames or act a little bit. For example, if I'm standing in this beautiful location, then don't go just blank. Do something in the frame because you are the main hero, right? So yeah.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know.
So now you understand what I'm trying to say. You have to fill the frame by using your personality, your beautiful personality. So let's start, go on the hike. So first, you need to take some beautiful walking shots of yourself, like this. I set up my camera over there and you have to act a little bit. Just consider yourself Shah Rukh Khan and let's go. This is a high angle shot. It is used to establish the location, to show the trail that I'm going upward. So it gives a perspective that I'm gaining height. So it works very well. You have to find a spot where you can place the camera at a higher angle to your location. And behind me, you can see the paid actor. Come, let's go. But walking is not enough. You have to fill the frame by adding your personality and using the elements around the environment. For example, in this frame, I have me, and beside me you can see the apple tree. So you have to interact with them to make your videos look more good, not cinematic. So for example, look at this.
You know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
So as you can see, you have to act a little bit to make it look more appealing and entertaining. Let's move forward to learn about more shot varieties. Come with me. This is a ground level shot. As you can see, this is used to show something happening on the ground. For example, in this case, I'm tying my shoelace and it gives a unique perspective. For example, the shoe is on the ground, the camera is also on the ground, and it can convey the message, right? You can take some amazing frames in frames kind of videos like this. It looks amazing in these kind of scenarios. Or you can go really low to capture the foot motion of yourself. It looks really good. As you can see, this is low angle shot, but you have to make it more appealing by act. You have to act a little bit, as I said earlier. So, look at the mountains. My God. Look at the whole valley. Now pause. You can add some beautiful vlogging kind of shots in your videos if you're into vlogging. For example, me is completely into filmmaking, but I do sometimes vlogging, so I use this setup. This is a Skywig tripod cum monopod. It extends like this and you can set up your camera on this and you can take these amazing shots while walking. So it's pretty amazing to capture your story while you're walking and talking. So it's pretty fun and you can show the whole location while talking. You must try this low angle shots in your videos. It is interesting, and for example, I'm packing my bag on the ground. So this kind of perspective you can create by this angle. So yeah, it looks really good in your videos, and it gives an impression that your subject is very powerful. As you can see, I'm looking tall in this video. So let's go. You can also take this amazing moving low angle shots by mounting your camera on the tripod. This is a full shot because you can see whole part of my body in the frame. But if I come closer like this, okay, now it becomes a medium shot because you can see only part of my body that is above my waist. But if I go like near, for example this, okay, let's do this. Okay, now you can see the close-up of my face. This is a close-up shot, and this if it can focus, and this is an extreme close-up. This is an example of medium close-up shot. As you can see the upper half of my body above my chest. This is eye level shot. As you can see, the camera is right in front of my eye level. And this is how it looks. This is a cowboy shot, also known as hip level shot. As you can see, the other person is standing over there and the camera angle is set from their hip level. And you can see me here talking. You have seen this shot a lot of times in cowboy movies where the cowboys sling their gun, point at each other before starting the battle, I guess. So yeah, this is what it is used for, and this amazing shot because it develops the correlation between the two subjects. So I love this shot. Okay, now let's talk about using phone as a professional gear for photography and filmmaking. Yes, you can use your iPhone, Samsung phone, or any brand phone as a professional gear, but you need some tools to enhance its quality and to express the creator within. So I'm going to show you 3 products that will level up your phone photography and filmmaking game. So yeah, this is it. I hope you learned something today. And you can join me on my treks to learn about photography, videography, and filmmaking. I'm planning to do some trips in the future where you can join me and learn about these skill sets, and while exploring these amazing locations, amazing trails. And you can be my model as well, because I'm very tired of shooting myself because it's very hard. It's always good to have a helping hand. So yeah, you can find the workshop link in the description. You can register and subscribe to this channel so that we can make more videos like this. So okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye then.